So I'm using Finsh one SC720. If you watch a lot on my channel, I use this quite a bit, especially on cars, automotive stuff. We finish in like guitars, sometimes game consoles. If I want a good clear coat, I always go with this. It mixes 4-to-1 instead of 1-to-1. This is the hardener I'm using. It is quite, you know, not too hot here today, so a medium hardener is fine. They do sell us in a fast and a toned down version of this, which if you spraying in extremely hot temperatures is very good. Now on a mixing cup, instead of 1-to-1, you want to come to the side that says 4-to-1. You can clean your cups out or use a new one and mix. If you mix up to the 5 like we did on the Omni, you will need to bring it up to the 1 here on the 4-to-1 section. And that, you know, basically is 4-to-1 parts. But what I was saying before, you can clean your cup out, but what is the engines, we're just gonna basically pour what base we have left back into the can, and we're gonna add a clear coat directly to this, and it kind of tints it, and we'll give it an all in all deeper shine, a deeper look. But you can clean yours cup out if you want to. I'm not. So let's go ahead and open this up, just like so. Oops. And fill it up to the 5. And tell you the truth, we're probably going to have a little bit too much clear. Probably. Just a little, guys. Just a little. Because clear coat goes on faster than base. And, yeah, it covers better too. Boom. Now you want to mix it. Take your paint stick. Make sure this is mixed up extremely good. You don't want to not mix it up good, because then it won't harden right. So let's put a lead back on it. Sometimes these leads is a pain to get off, and you just have to pull the whole thing off. Try to get it off without doing that, because this hardener will harden up on you if you ain't careful. Now I'm just going to mix it up extremely good. Then add it to my gun, and about 2 coats on each motor, but about a 20-minute flash time in between coats. Make sure your first coat is extremely light and not heavy, because you will run this. The first coat acts as a tack coat. Once it gets kind of hard or smooth to your finger, you can apply your next coat, and that keeps it from sagging and running on you. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below. Did you use base coat and clear coat to paint your motor? Did you just use rattle can? I enjoy hearing from everyone, and I try to keep up with everybody's comments. So if you're new, get subscribed, and if you already subscribed, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you taking your time out of your day and watching one of my videos. Thanks again.